That's the afterburn. Frig. Oh. Oh. Welcome back to the Afterburner Series. Second workout, core. We just came from burpees, brutal. Why is it called afterburner? When you're burning 10 minutes after the workout, you tell me. No transitions, no rest breaks, no water sips. We go hard for 10 minutes, make it brutal. You're not searching 10-minute easy short workout. I trust you've all come from my 50 workout program. You're not cherry picking into these workouts first. So I know you're educated. I've put you through every movement, every position, every angle possible. So you know what to handle, you know how to modify moves, make it easier on yourself, and coach yourself through it. So today, core rotisserie. We don't do any warm-ups, we just jump straight in. 10 minutes, 10 different movements, face down, side, face up. We're rotating ourselves. We'll be well cooked by the end of it. Fight as hard as you can because there's no transition. If you need to take breaks, that's fine. So I'll meet you on the floor on the mat, 10 minutes on the clock. Videos and the labels and the names of the exercises will show up, and we go. Okay, here we go. Like I said, we're down on ground. It's 10 minutes, 1 minute per different variation exercise. I'll call them out. You'll see the video coming up. I'll try to coach you through. I'm always mic'd up to suffer and grind it out with you guys in the gauntlet. So when I hit start, it's a 10-second lead in, and then we go for 10 minutes because that's why you're here. Hard, 10 minutes, fast. Here we go. First is straight on our butts. 10-second countdown, and we're doing the V sit. This can just be a sit up if you can't handle the V sit. So we're finding our balance and we're dropping down and up. Think about dropping into luge position and up. You can chill, hold on here. You don't have to hold on. This is still burning. So it doesn't have to be constant reps. This will be brutal by the end. So just try to endure it as hard, as long as you can with good, proper form. And I'll throw my white flag early. Again, I know I'm super tall, so my long levers torque me out, create a lot of tension and leverage. So I don't do too well during core. So this might be one of my weaker performances, but we'll see what's up. Hopefully I won't get too angry at my mic, pinching on my hip here. Whoops. Oh, that's easy. We're already 18 seconds to the end. Next, we're gonna be going into side plank, knee, elbow touching. So knee to elbow, side plank touching. No transition. So on that beep in 6 seconds, we go. Yeah, okay, transition, side plank, up, knee touch elbow, extend. You can put your hand down if you need to. You can drop bottom leg. You guys have been through my workouts, like I said, so you know how to modify these. We've done every variation possible. For left and right moves, we're gonna switch on the 30. Don't go too fast. You can go as slow as you want. Time under tension is still happening because we're holding a side plank. 4 seconds. Okay, that's half switch. Other side. Go. Just endure. All we're doing is enduring 10 minutes of tension here. Where are we? 10 seconds left. Okay, next is going to be a face down stiff arm plank. We're going to do plank drops. Okay, up with a push up. We're going to go down, down, up, up. One push up of your choice. Down, down, up, up. You can roll the push up. Down, down, up, up. Push up. Make sure to switch order of the arms. Make sure your elbows are protected on the ground. And keep a steady pace so we don't cook ourselves too much. 20 seconds to go. Down, up, up. My feet were supposed to go the other way. 7 seconds to go. What's next? Our dead bug. Okay, down, down, up, up on our backs. Dead bug position. Instead of tug of war, we're pushing and extending the opposite limbs. Like so. So if I had a pillow in between my knee and hand, you can't pull that out. Other limbs extend. And I'm gonna chunk this out in 5-piece reps. Push, push, push. Burn is showing up. 5. Switch, I'm curled up slightly into our hollow position, pushing into that opposite limb, extending, extending. It is awful. Next side. And if you need to just take that last few seconds to flush out, that's fine. We go into side plank leg lifts now. Okay, just side plank, leg lift, down. Leg lift, down. Leg lift, down. And keep going. Just gonna start putting my feet on this side. Good. This hand can help into the floor. You can drop bottom leg to make it easier. No problem. Okay, that's half. Switch side. Keep it going. Next one's going to be plank face down. Keep it going 8 seconds here. Okay, face down plank, we're doing rotations, reach rotations. So I reach through, my shoes fall, I reach up, oh, nice little breath break here. Reach through, up, through, up. You can drop to your knees if you need to for this one. Oh, the tall man's burning here. Yeah, that's halfway. A little breather, a little flush. Second side, reach through, up. Up to you how fast you want to do your reps. If you're 105 pounds, 5'1", you're probably tripling my reps. Yeah. Keep going. Peeking for what's next. Oh no. Hollow rocks. Okay, on our back for hollow rocks. Okay, we've all done a million hollow rocks if you've done my videos. Full is how you want to start. C rock is the same. And you can try one leg out. That's what I like to do to save my low back. And switch the leg. I'll do every 5 reps. 5. That's my first mulligan. Oh, burning, burning, burning. Have to be able to maintain your hollow. And the body stays as one piece. Connected one piece. Go back to one leg. Switch. Flush, flush, flush. Next, we're just laying on our back. Okay, laying on our back. Arms wide to the side. Side leg up. We'll go 30 seconds straight. So we can leave the main line. Taking a breather. We can hit obliques and serratus anterior muscles now. Mic is in my way. Yacht, 8 seconds. Butt stays down. Yeah, switch side. Use your hands as an anchor. Fingertips push. After this, we'll go into stiff arm plank again, face down, and we're gonna do some walkouts. Yeah, take breaks when you need to. Fight the whole way through if you can. I'm over here, stiff arm plank. Okay, make a line in front of you. Arms go over. 1, 2, back, back. Over, over, back, back. Weights on the arms Everything braced, over, her back, back, over, back, back. Reverse direction, minimal hip, no twisty hippie shakes going on. And then we have one more left. We'll go on our backs for that. 20 seconds to go here. Back, back, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I don't think anyone's going through this the second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, opposite toe taps. This one's brutal. Start in the hollow, up, touch, down, up, touch, down, touch, down, touch, down. If you're dying, go into bicycle crunch. And I am shot. I am shot. Honest, I don't think any human can go 10 minutes of course straight without taking a flush break, unless you're a gymnast. Oh, long legs. Long leg excuse. Bike crunching. Survive, survive, survive. 17 seconds, I got nothing. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I feel like an anchor. Gotta pedal, pedal to the end. That's the afterburn. Frig. Oh, going to baby cobra. Oh, stretch that core back out. Woo, that was intense. That got me at the end. I knew it would. So that's your 10 minutes hard. Like I said, package them together. 10-minute workout, 20 or 30-minute workout. You can pair up the different 10-minute workouts. They're awful. If you want more education on movement patterns, go do my 50 workouts. I'm gonna say it every time because you can't just cherry pick the fast workouts thinking you're getting your work in. You gotta educate, put the time in. Fitness is a lifetime sentence. That's all for now. Back for the third one coming up. They're gonna just smash the whole body every time. Good work, everyone. See you.